Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I get classic curls using magic rollers. So grab a snack, get comfy, and stay tuned. So I just finished cleansing my hair. I used the Curlsmith Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash, which is great to use in between shampoos. I also followed up by using my Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Deep Conditioner and left that in for about 25 minutes and rinsed out. I left a little bit of the conditioner in my hair as that's going to be my leave-in conditioner for this process. So I'm starting by sectioning my hair in half and then applying my pure avocado oil to add shine and seal in moisture. I'm sectioning off the front of my hair since this is where my hair is the shortest and also where I'm going to be placing the smaller magic rollers. So these are the magic rollers that I'll be using for today. I purchased from Amazon for about $9 and they come 40 pieces in a pack. There's 20 large and 20 small. I'm detangling small sections of my hair to make sure that my hair is smooth and tangle-free when I'm applying my rollers. I'm going to be working in small sections since my hair is pretty long and will wrap around the rollers a few times. I want to do this to make sure that they secure properly. I'm going to be using the Jane Carter Wrap and Roll Mousse as my styling product for today. I'm applying 1 pump of the mousse over a small section of hair and smoothing it through. I'm going to brush the small section to make sure that the product is distributed evenly. So I'm starting with the large roller in the back of my hair. What I like to do is keep the smaller end towards my ear and slowly start wrapping my hair around, making sure that it stays smooth towards the end. Once the hair has fully wrapped around the roller, what I like to do is to make sure that the roller is fully secured towards my scalp and then fold over the other side. Then I'm going to repeat those steps for the next section. Starting with the roller at the top of my scalp, I'm going to slowly start to wrap the hair around, making sure that it stays smooth all the way to the end. A trick I like to do is twist the roots of the hair. This helps keep the roller secure and also keeps the roots from getting frizzy. Now I'm moving on to the front of my hair where I'll be using the smaller magic rollers. Keeping the same technique, I'm going to do the same process for the front of my hair. I keep the smaller end of the roller to the front towards my face and slowly wrap the hair around the roller, making sure that it stays smooth all the way to the end. Now that I've got the technique down, I'm going to finish off the rest of my hair off screen. So I finally finished and I used about 34 rollers in my hair. I want to show you both the sides and the back. So it has been 2 days since I left these curlers in my hair to dry, and I'm finally taking them out to see what my curls look like. I've applied pure avocado oil to my fingertips to make sure that when I'm taking out my curls, they stay shiny and smooth. So the curls actually came out pretty good. Only a couple at the top were still a little damp. Now I'm going to start separating my curls to give my hair some fullness. When separating your curls, make sure not to pull in your hair too much so that the curl doesn't lose its form. Now that my curls are fully separated, I'm going to start shaking them out and pick out the roots to add volume. Now I'm just fixing my curls to frame my face the way that I like. And this is my final look. My curls are fully separated, they're soft, shiny, and bouncy. And that's it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!